Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. Down here amongst all this dead growth is a good clump of Delphinium Pagan Purple. Next video up, we'll show it to you in full flower. And what we're doing at this time of the year is we're pulling back and cutting back all our perennial flowers. Some of the hydrangeas like Annabelles and Pinky Winkies we're pruning back as well, and feeding with FlowerMax. Now, the Delphinium Pagan Purple is down in there. It's a decent clump. We'll give a great bit of colour this year, provided we feed it well. And if you want, you can plant Delphinium Pagan Purple at this time of the year. That's Delphinium Pagan Purple. Decent sized planting home when you're planting it. Just put Super Thrive planting fertilizer at the bottom, compost and soil on top, and the same back in there. And this fantastic Delphinium will be in your garden for years and years to come. This time of year, we're feeding all our perennials, all our roses, flowering shrubs, all our hydrangeas every 4 to 6 weeks with FlowerMax to make sure we get lots and lots of good colour this year. So our Delphinium Pagan Purple is getting a feed. We'll feed it every 4 to 6 weeks from now to make sure we get those massive flowers, and it brings out the intensity of the flower colours. Watch out for the next video up of Delphinium Pagan Purple in full flower. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.